In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Workspace subscription in 2026. 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account that has billing permissions. If you manage more than one organization or subscription, double check you're in the correct account to avoid canceling the wrong service. Start by opening the Google Admin Console. From the home dashboard, head to billing. Then open subscriptions. This page lists every service tied to your organization. So locate your Google Workspace subscription. If you see multiple entries, choose the primary Google Workspace plan you want to cancel. Open that subscription. On the subscription page, look for the More menu, sometimes shown as a three-dot icon, and select it. From that menu, choose Cancel Subscription. Google will prompt you with a short flow to confirm your choice. First, you'll be asked to select a reason for canceling. Pick the option that best fits your situation and continue. This helps Google improve the product experience, and it won't affect your ability to cancel. Next, decide what happens to your data. This is important. Depending on your plan and region, you may have options such as retaining data for a limited time, transferring ownership of files to another account, or proceeding with deletion. If you plan to keep any emails, drive files, or calendar data, complete your exports or transfers before finalizing the cancellation. Tools like data export and file ownership transfer can help your team preserve what they need. Remember, once data is deleted, it can't be recovered. You'll then see a confirmation screen with key details about what cancellation means for access and billing. Read everything carefully. Typically, users will lose access when the cancellation takes effect, and your invoicing will stop according to your contract terms. If you're on an annual commitment, charges may continue through the end of the term. Monthly plans usually stop at the next billing cycle. Check the fine print on this screen for your specific case. When you're ready, check the acknowledgement box, type your administrator email address to confirm, and click Cancel My Subscription. Google will process the request and show a confirmation message. After canceling, watch for a confirmation email and keep an eye on any grace period that might allow reactivation from the billing section if you change your mind. It's also a good moment to verify that any backups or exports completed successfully. That's it. You've canceled your Google Workspace subscription safely and correctly.